Oh, hello there. I'm Dr. D. You might remember me from some of my past films, like the legal drama, You Can't Handle the Spam. And that inspirational family film, The Spam Whisperer. We're going to be doing something a little different today. Going to hang up the old lab coat. And I'm going to be putting on the apron. Because today, Dr. D is getting ready for the Super Bowl. Hello. There are many traditions in the United States, ones that involve meals and snacks and drinks. For instance, Thanksgiving has its own special treat where you take a bird and stuff it with another bird and stuff it with another bird. Yes, the turducken. But now is the time for Super Bowl. Super Bowl is a 400-year-old tradition here in the United States, and it deserves its own turducken, its own great food. But remember, food does not have to be unhealthy to taste good. That's why we're going to make a snack today that involves the 4 food groups of Super Bowl. These are bologna, Vienna sausages, Braunschweiger, and of course, the king of meats, Spam. We use the 25% less sodium because that makes it extra healthy. So grab your favorite writing utensil and a piece of paper and get ready to take down the recipe for the Superbowl Schwager sausage. We begin with 2 Vienna sausages laid in a row. We then cut several slices of Braunschweiger extra thin. We use these 2 slices to wrap around the Vienna sausages like Play-Doh. When we're ready, we take a slice of bologna and wrap the entire thing, making sure that it's firmly packed. Finally, we take our Spam block and we cut a hole the size of our rolled meat. Being careful not to cut the fingers. We remove the plug. Don't throw that away. Good eating. We then take our rolled meat and place it through the hole in the Spam, and we place it in the oven at 300 degrees for 20 minutes till it's golden brown. Once we remove it from the oven, we'll set up our display. I like to use yellow mustard because, frankly, yellow mustard's American and the Super Bowl is American. We place our meat on display and cut it in half to show the yummy interior. That's some good Superbowl Schwager sausage. It's the mustard that makes it work. Well, that's all the time that Dr. D has in the kitchen today. But you can join me in the future when I explore a little bit more about Spam in my next film about my mom's recipes of Spam, a walk through history. Take care.